know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people want to go on. I hope everybody good. So you know, say yesterday did a Sunday. So you know what keep yesterday? The Grammys. And guess who win the Grammy for Best Reggae Album? Shaggy and Sting for the album called 44876. You see me? So them win the album there. I'm happy if you see them win the album there. You see me? You know, say competitors they did like the Ziggy Marley for them album. You see me? And ETANA, the strong one, they get nominated, but I guess she just wasn't that strong enough because she never win. No, that's a bad thing to say. I mean, congratulations, ETANA. You see me? But we did win, but you never win. You see me? So Shaggy win, and this is Shaggy's second Grammy album. You see me? He did win the album for Bombastic in 1997. You see me? And you know that's something we saw Bombastic. I think got the same album there. It was me the Depan. But yeah, him did win it. But him did get nominated a couple times. After that, him did get nominated for Intoxication. Him did get nominated for the album we call again? Drop Close. You see me? So him get nominated again, but this is the second time he's winning. So me have to say congrats. You see me? Goes out. And like how we on this Grammy topic, I have to say again, big up Cardi B. Yes, because Cardi B is the second female rapper to win the best rap album in that section there. You see me? And we don't really do the international news over here, but Cardi is my girl. So if you read Cardi, just comment Cardi. You see me? And what me have to talk about again, so ETANA get in a brawl, in a social media brawl with a fan. Well, it probably can be a hater still, but I mean, everybody know ETANA for not that person to be getting in social media brawl. But I guess it happened to the best of us. You see me? So ETANA have to run with a person here. Wicked. So people, me have it right as a phone. So apparently someone make a tweet, you see me, but them never pronounce something good. So ETANA goes to know and Karkar. And this person, when name Chicken Mary out there near, and people from who hear that name there, who don't know says a troll. So me don't know why ETANA get tricked. Anyway, still, the person comment and say, you know conscious, from you make the Donald Trump statement there, a conscious person would never think say a white woman ain't white just because she can't speak English or cause her accent is different. ETANA reply and say, I do what the F I want. Don't stop text me. Dog, crawl back in your hole and get the F off my timeline. Whoa, that's strong. ETANA really coming off strong right there. Then she go on with a bag of this and I call you poor little cockroach. And all these things, me have to wonder if somebody hack ETANA page, cause we don't know ETANA like this. I guess because she never win the Grammy, she kinda upset. Somebody comment, me don't know, comment in the comment section, and then she reply again and say, I wanna know who the F are you to decide whether I'm conscious or not. I'm on the red carpet. Where the F you at? Whoa. She really come off strong this so. I guess she now have it today. So let me look in the comment section with one person have to say. No sir, them reply sound like after them announce Sting and Shaggy win the Grammy. Oh, she's so feisty and she no munga. Oh, the person said fiery and she no munga. Cause you know munga have that song there. So people, me don't know still. We don't really know ETANA as that. And want to comment and tell me if you feel like say ETANA should at least win or what. But I mean, it's just it's a Grammy. And people, if you tell you the truth, you see based on the fact say Shaggy go on a lot of tours with that song there. You see me? With the album there. Them go far with it. Him and Sting. Them go far with the album there. And the album there generate over $10 million within the first leg of the tour. I'm wanting to look it up. Well, I'm here going the information still. So people, we see some money and make from when them they go on tour, the Europe tour and stuff like that. So it's a good look. More if I say congratulations, you see me. So what was your favorite part of the Grammys? Me never get the full Grammys. Me not watch the full Grammys yet. But still, We get little snips and we see what I go on. You see me? So, check out Popcaan and his mom.
One thing, Selassie dead long time, so you have to take off that.
Jesus dead for Easter, that me I tell you.
Jesus dead what?
Amen.
Dead and risen again. You don't know what going on.
Selassie,
You don't know where going.
Where?
Oh, Jesus is alive and well.
Show me.
And he's living inside of my body. That's
See
dead,
Jesus
bro.
dead, oh,
That's
see
dead,
Jesus
that's
dead,
dead,
oh,
bro. Alabo Shandai. Hallelujah.
Scorable scandal.
Shut it. Stop it. Don't run. No rum.
Selassie, I live this road.
No Selassie dead long time I run near him.
No, I don't feel me.
Yo, Jano Star, me don't know why Popcaan have always a troubling mother, you know. Is not a good look, Star. Jano, papi. You fi go easy pa mommy. You see me? Go easy pa mommy, or you go on someone. Jano Star. So people, from the other day, I continue to hear this song. Like me, I hear this song everywhere. BEEZ HIVE. Yeah. BEEZ HIVE.
BEEZ HIVE. BEEZ HIVE. Hey, you know Chaddy, the girl them going crazy for me. BEEZ HIVE.
Me never know how it go. Somebody decided to do some little research and find out say this guy was on the Magnum Kings and Queens 2014. However, he never win. He never did necessarily like go finals or nothing like that. But guess what? You see me? In a today, 2019, the man have one song where I get heavy rotation. Me go on his YouTube channel and find out that he recorded a video, a music video, since 2015, and I know it just a get played. So people, check out how the umbrella name, me never know, but check out BEEZ HIVE. BEEZ HIVE. Yeah, BEEZ HIVE.
Priceless, the girl them like me. She love for me lively. Hey, me ever clean and tidy. The girl them no want avoid me. Whoa, I did it so easy. Be a girl want squeeze me. Hey, she everything with you tease me. To me sound like easy.
Yeah, it's a good look. Me like to see them things here, you see me, because when you're dead, no dash away. And definitely the umbrella never dead, so we can't dash him away yet. And even though me feel like a lot of person is laughing at the song still a get play. And me the here talk about the song. So it's a good look, same way, brother. Go and do your thing. You see me? One day you might find a big solid hit there. And probably that song might be a hit. You see me? Anyway, still, people, guess what? Fellow vlogger, you see me? Dancehall IG, I bet you never know, say, the dog could a DJ. Check out this.
Best day of my life, best day of my life.
Today don't festive, happy people. Have me one a swagger, me no copy people. And when we out, we no afraid to chat to people. Squaddy know the routine, them no stop with vehicle. I smell loud up in here, that's our diesel.
Yeah man, that's Dancehall IG and the artist called Melody God. So people, you see say we do have some talent in the vlogging thing, in the vlogging world, you see me. So more wanna just support the artist there, cause him still a try do him thing, you see me. Him want to make it in the dancehall world. And guess what? Him still have couple more songs, couple more bad song that is. So you can go and go check out him page. Me I go left a link in the description below. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people have started a new Facebook page where you can find the link in the description below. Me just want to go over the Facebook page and click like and follow. You see me? Not like and then unfollow, you know. Like and then AND and follow it. You see me? And just go and share it for me. Over there, so you will find me more time. And yeah, at this so we are gonna start post some bugger things, same speed. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
The girl them going crazy for me. BEEZ HIVE. BEEZ HIVE. Hey, you know Chaddy. The girl them going crazy for me. Crazy. The girl them like me. She love for me lively. Hey, me ever clean and tidy. The girl them know what abide me. Whoa, I did it so easy. Be a girl want squeeze me. Hey, she everything.